So certified here. About to do a quick little short of the Royal New York Cheesecake Blizzard from Dairy Queen, of course. The sun is kind of off right now, messing up my lighting, but that's okay. With this strawberry filling, it says so. Let's go ahead and taste it. Ooh, oh, you see it? Look at it. Mm. Oh, that's good. I'm a big fan of cheesecake. Oh, this is good. I want to say it's better than regular cheesecake, but hard to beat cheesecake and ice cream. The Royal New York Cheesecake Blizzard from Dairy Queen. I give it a 7.5 out of 10. Let me know what blizzards y'all like from Dairy Queen. Like, subscribe, and share for more.